Good afternoon, student. This is your SST class and myself, Jyotishika. Let us start first chapter, our environment from geography. Okay. In the previous class, you have studied about our Earth, and it is called the unique planet of the solar system. And why it is called the unique planet? You have already learned about that. But in class 7th, you have to study about environment. And what do you know about environment? Environment is nothing. Okay, environment is nothing. Just whatever we see in our surrounding, it is called environment. Okay, the term environment is derived from a French word environneur. Environment means surrounding. In simple terms, whatever we see in our surrounding is collectively called environment. Whatever is place, people, things, nature that around any living organism is called environment. These surrounding can be divided into two categories, natural and man-made. And what is natural and man-made? This environment is known as the component of the different types of environment. And what is the component of environment? In this chapter, what we are going to study? First, components of environment. And what is component? Biotic and abiotic. And the next topic, natural environment. Natural environment means ecosystem. Okay. And the last point is human environment. Okay. Our first topic is component of environments. And our environment consists of two main components, natural and man-made. Here we can see easily that the components of environment, natural and man-made. Okay. And what is natural environment? For example, living organism. Living organism is biosphere. Land means lithosphere. Air means atmosphere, and water means hydrosphere. And just on the other hand, that the man-made thing. For example, buildings, parks, industry, bridges, road, monuments, all these things, whatever we are using to fulfill our needs, it is called man-made things. Okay. And what is natural environment? What do you understand that these words, that the natural environment? All those things means land, air, water, living organisms, all those things around us together called natural environment. And nature, all these things are the free gifts of nature for us. For example, plants, animal, lands, air, water, etc. And natural environment is further divided into two parts, biotic and abiotic environment. And the first point is biotic environment. What is biotic environment? The environment includes the world of living organisms. For example, human beings, plants, animal, insect, etc. It is biotic environment. And the next topic is our that the abiotic environment. And these word refers to the world of non-living elements. For example, non-living land, air, water, etc. The land on which we live is not man-made things. Land is not a man-made things. It has been created through a natural process. Like that, air, water, nature, vegetation also occur naturally. All these things, air, water, nature, vegetation occurs naturally. Here, the land refers to the lithosphere, air refers to the atmosphere, water refers to the hydrosphere, and the plant and animal are the major parts of the biosphere. Biosphere means living organism, plants and animal. Okay. And today we are studies about our environment, components of our environment, and in the next class we will study about major domain of the earth. Okay, thank you.